everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Roblox profile picture. Now to do that, open the Roblox application first. Once you're at the home page, you need to tap on the profile of yours at the very bottom. Tap that. Once you're at the profile avatar page, you need to tap on edit profile picture. Tap that. From here, you will be able to change your profile picture. That is, you can select an emote to change your avatar. There are 4 options available to which you can make the changes to. There are other options in below which you need to buy through the tokens first. It will cost you a certain amount of tokens over here. Now all you can do is select from these all 4, that is over here, and then tap on next. Here on this page, you can position your camera. That is, you can zoom in and out your emote or avatar. There you can see the zoom in and this is zoom out. Likewise, you can rotate your profile. If you move forward, you will be moving right and left on your avatar. Once you're okay or once you are done with the changes, you tap on next. And this will be the avatar or the preview of your profile picture that will be on Roblox. You can tap on view full avatar, which will show you how it will exactly look, and you can look up the close-up. Both views will be used as your profile photo across the app. Then tap on save. This way you will be able to make the profile picture changes in Roblox. In Roblox, you do not have the option to upload a profile picture from your photo gallery. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.